Dito na tayo. We have less than 30 minutes, 30 seconds to start. Okay. This one is nothing there. Oh, this thing's there already. Oh, hi, good afternoon.
Hi. Hello.
Wow, I love the voice. It's a big voice.
Oh, okay. Sure about that. Okay.
Alright, well, by the way, my name is Jacko, so I'm gonna be your tutor for today. So how would you like me to call you? No worries.
Yeah, if it's loud, let me. Yeah, please let me know. Yeah.
No, 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 it's okay. Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, again, how are you today? Like, how's your day so far?
Pretty good. Can't complain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
normal day. Yeah. How about you?
Well, I'm doing fine. It's a little warm today, so
Okay.
yeah, I like warm weathers. What about you? Cold or warm weathers?
Definitely cool weather. Is
Okay.
I love winter. Yeah, I hate
Okay.
summer, so that's why. Yeah, it's
Since
busy.
this is our first time to have a lesson,
Mhm.
let's have a short introduction to get to know each other better.
Yeah,
Is that
sure.
okay? Okay. Let
Yeah,
me do
sure.
the honor of introducing myself first. Okay. So,
Okay.
yeah, again, I'm Jacko. I'm from Davao City, Philippines. Have you been to the Philippines?
No, I haven't.
Okay, but you're always welcome to visit here, okay? Maybe after the
I would like to.
pandemic.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. Well, going back to my introduction, in a university, I
Hmm.
finished a degree in business and accounting, okay? So this is actually my
Okay.
field. Um, I'm a former account supervisor and also a professor in a university. I taught business and research subjects, okay? But I quit the job because I found out, that you can, work from home like this. Flexibility is one of the advantages of, this kind of job. Okay?
Yeah. Right.
And in my spare time, I love to watch my favorite TV shows online because I don't have the opportunity to watch them during the live airing. I also like Japanese food. I like sushi, takoyaki, sashimi, what else? Ramen, soba, Japanese kimchi.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe in my past life I'm a Japanese. Okay, just kidding.
Wow.
If there's a
Oh, that's
past
funny.
life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's my introduction. What about you?
Thank you for
Anything you
introduction.
can share about yourself?
Yeah. Once
Okay.
well. So yeah, that's basically about me.
Wow, you
Thanks.
love to watch movies as well. So what type of movies do you watch?
As yeah, I usually watch action movies,
Okay.
especially Marvel movies.
Wow,
Yeah.
okay.
Yep.
Adventure movies, right?
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Okay, so you're a university student. What are you taking up?
It's really hard, but it's quite
Mm.
enjoyable. Yeah.
Wow, okay. But you're still there, okay? So
Yeah. I'm still there.
are you in
Yeah.
your are you in your last year or your uh, uh first year or what?
I'm a freshman. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you just started the race, right?
Yeah. I mean, like,
And
I don't go to Japanese college. I mean, university.
mhm.
I go to American university in Japan. So
Okay.
that's why. So that's why. Yeah. So I don't have a major. I mean,
Mm. Okay.
yeah, I would like to major in business in the future, but
Mm.
yeah, I'm preparing for that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, so
Yeah.
you're studying in an American university. That's why you already have the accent, right?
Oh, maybe American accent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Like in your school, most of your tutors are native speakers.
Uh, I mean, all of them
All of
are
them
Americans,
are
and
American.
professors,
Mm,
faculties,
mm,
all of them are Americans. So
okay.
that's why I cannot use
So you're
Japanese
not
at
allowed.
all. So yeah, I'm not allowed because they can understand what I'm saying. So that's why I
Okay.
have to use
Okay.
English. Yeah.
In our community, like in Asia, we use neutral accent. Okay, so it's really clear. Okay, so when we are speaking to each other, it's like we can really easily understand each other because we have neutral accent. But it's really different when you are speaking to a native speaker. Okay, so you,
It's
mm,
different. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
What
The way they
about
speak.
you? In your
Yeah.
case, like in your first, this is your first year, right? Do you experience some struggles in understanding the accent and the speed of the native speakers?
The speed. I
The
mean, the
speed.
way they speak and the
Mm,
speed.
mm,
It's really sometimes it's really hard to catch up what they're saying. Sometimes it's really
exactly. Mm,
it's. But I have to improve my English skills by listening what they're saying, so
yeah.
that maybe I can
Mm,
be like them. Yeah,
exactly. Mm.
yeah.
So we really need to practice and be like them. Okay.
Practice. Yeah.
School, do you have also an American teacher or I said black American teacher?
I haven't met,
Mm-mm,
but one of my classmates
mm-mm.
was American. I mean,
Black.
she was black, and
Okay.
the way she speaks was really. It was really hard to
Mm, yeah. Mm-mm,
understand what she was saying.
mm-mm,
Yeah, so that's why I
mm-mm,
had some difficulties
mm-mm,
communicating with her. Yeah,
mm-mm.
yeah, so yeah,
Yeah, it's really
it
difficult.
was really hard. Yeah.
But when you're but when you are used to, like for example, you are, you're with that person every day. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you will just notice that you can really keep up. Yeah, plus include British accent,
Yeah,
and
British
the
accent,
British accent,
Australian.
Australian
Uh,
accent. Good day, mate. Okay,
yeah, good at my.
good day, mate. What? Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, like you're very good in speaking.
Thanks.
Aside from having lessons here in DMM and of course, you're exposed to your university, what are the other things you're doing to really improve in speaking the language?
Um, yeah, as I said, I love to watch movies, especially
Oh,
English movies.
all right.
So
Mm-mm,
that's why, yeah,
mm-mm,
yeah, that's the only way I can improve my English
mm-mm.
skills. Because,
Yeah.
like because of the
Mm-mm,
pandemic, we're not able to have face-to-face classes,
mm-mm,
and so that's why
mm-mm,
there are not much, there are not enough like opportunities for me to use English in my school
mm-mm.
life. So that's why,
Yeah. Mm-mm,
yeah, and also like my friends, they don't speak English.
mm-mm.
They're all Japanese, so they only use Japanese. So that's why when I hang out with them,
Mm-mm.
it's not easy to use English. So that's
Okay.
why, yeah, it's hard. It's really hard to improve my English skills or
Mm-mm.
maintain my English skills.
Yeah.
So yeah, but yeah, I like to learn English by myself.
Mm,
Maybe I can learn English by myself, but not
mm,
speaking.
mm-mm,
So that's why I'm learning English,
mm-mm,
especially how to speak. I mean, especially speaking on this
mm-mm.
platform, Dimemeko. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
only the opportunity to use
Mm-mm.
English. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Sometimes it's, hard to look for an opportunity to speak the language. Okay, so
yeah. Right.
yeah, like in my case, I always have classes here in UMM. Like I have the whole day, okay, to
Mhm.
have some classes. But there are cases that I have no opportunity. If I don't have the opportunity to speak the language, I just think the language. Okay, so like
Um,
I tell a story to myself. Okay, so in English.
okay, okay,
So
okay.
yeah, okay. If I
Right.
don't have the opportunity to speak it, why not think the language? Okay, so yeah, okay,
Right.
but do it at the comfort of your own home. Don't do it outside in public places because people might, think you're crazy. Okay, so
Yeah, yeah. You think you're a stranger or something like that. Yeah.
and then I
Right.
try to also measure my vocabulary. So when I'm in the house or anywhere, like I try to really name all the things around me in English. Okay, so
Oh, okay, okay. Oh,
yeah,
that's good practice. I mean, yeah,
yeah,
it's really good.
yeah, to measure my vocabulary.
Yeah, speaking yourself. That's one of I think that's one of the best ways
Yeah,
to improve
exactly.
English skills. Yeah,
Mm-mm.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. And watching movies can really help you improve. Like, for example, you want to improve the accent, okay, and you want to keep up with the
Mm,
speed because you don't have like the opportunity to really speak to a native English speaker. So you really have to
yeah,
find ways, okay? And the best way to do it is to watch their movies, okay?
yeah, and pick
And
up English accent.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. I try to remove the subtitles, okay? Because Most
Mm.
of us are actually good in reading. If you have subtitles, like subtitles is good for practicing your reading skill. Okay, so because most of
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
time you're not actually listening, but you're just reading, the subtitle. Okay, but if you really want to improve um, your listening skills, so remove the subtitles. Okay, so try to
Yeah,
really
yeah, yeah.
listen until you get used to the accent, until you get used to the speed. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, watching videos,
Mm,
movies without subtitles. Yeah, that's a good way to
mm,
improve listening skills.
mm.
And yeah, yeah, right. Listening skills. Yeah,
What about your writing
yeah, right.
skill? Are you good?
Writing.
Are you good in writing English?
Uh, Still there are a lot of room for improvement, but
Okay.
yeah, I'm not saying I'm really good at writings,
Mm,
but I improved
okay.
anyway in writing skills before, like
Mm,
before my college, I mean university. I was
mm,
pretty bad.
mm,
I was pretty bad at writing and
okay.
speaking,
Mm,
but like yeah,
mm,
I mean I improved my writing skills through classes to classes. I mean, like we have to have
mm,
discussion with other students via mail.
yeah.
That's why you had to, yeah, write
Mm,
documents and assignments.
yeah, exactly.
All of them are writing. Yeah,
Mm,
so that's why I improved. But yeah, still have to improve my writing
mm,
skills.
okay.
Yeah, far from native, so that's why.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's really
Well,
hard, but
yeah.
it's enjoyable. Yeah.
Like there's a lot of, aspects about the language, like speaking, listening, reading, writing, grammar, pronunciation, intonation. Among these things, where do you think you are good at?
Okay.
Speaking, I
I
think.
don't know. Maybe no, not so much. Maybe I don't know. Intonation. I mean,
Mm,
pronunciation. Maybe.
okay.
Um, yeah. Actually, I
Mm,
was influenced by my parents.
yeah, you have a lot of strengths in speaking the language. Okay, plus the fact that you're really fluent in speaking. Okay, so
Oh, thanks.
it's like listening to a native English speaker. I cannot really hear the Japanese accent. Okay, so I
Okay.
cannot really hear the Japanese accent. What I'm really hearing is an accent. Okay, American accent. Okay,
Okay.
so
Thanks.
maybe
Wow.
you're good. Okay, you're good in speaking the language. Okay, for us in your level, I think we just need to keep up with our vocabulary, okay? Sometimes
Yeah.
I
Vocabulary.
hear, yeah, I hear some pauses when you speak, okay? Like me also, that's my problem, okay? I
Mm.
really, really try to assess, like for example, for the different aspects of the English language, I try to really assess where I'm not good at, okay? And then from there, try to really improve,
Mm.
okay? So my one of my weaknesses is vocabulary, okay? So sometimes it's really hard for me to
Okay.
express my thoughts and opinion. It's there already in my head, but there's no like equivalent vocabulary to say it. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
there's like
Right.
there are cases that we aren't, it's our first time to really see the material. Okay, and first time to really read and hear or see or read the word. Okay, so
Mm.
yeah, it's
Yeah. Right.
learning for both of us. Okay,
Yeah. I mean, I think it's a good thing
yeah, it's a
for
good thing.
students and
Mm,
for tutor.
mm.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly. Yeah, like I said, okay, we
Yeah.
don't have much time,
Mhm.
but
Yeah.
I had fun, okay, and I really, really
Yeah.
enjoyed
Thanks.
our conversation today. This is what I really, really like about conversation because we can really talk about anything and everything under the moon and the sun, okay? So,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, so that's a good thing about it, and I'm really happy if somebody will really book me for a free conversation, okay? So it's a learning experience for me as well. Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks. I really enjoyed talking with you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much. Yeah.
I don't want to say this, bye for now and hope to see you again, okay?
Yeah. See you soon.
Yeah, bye
Bye. Thank you
bye.
so much. Please stay safe. Bye.
Bye
Thank you.
bye.